I just wanted to show you my tree of birds here. That's all year round I keep up. They're all LED lights, and some of these birds I got at Hobby Lobby, like this one right here. This purple one is really cute. And this one is from Walmart. It's a peacock with like a feather. It's really cute. And then I just put this butterfly as a little topper. This one's from Hobby Lobby. It's really fuzzy. And it has a little mate over there. Have some cardinals. This pretty purple shiny bird. And a lot of these like little white ones. And then I have this one. This one's glass. It looks antique, but it isn't. This is from Hallmark. It's a real pretty, colorful cardinal. I love cardinal birds. And here's a green one. Little red one there. A green hummingbird. A country looking cardinal. And here's another large red bird here with sparkles on it. I have some prisms hanging up here too in the background. There's a yellow one, clear. This is a little pretty bird from Hobby Lobby. These are my favorite colors, pink. Then you could see the aqua. And here's another hummingbird from Hobby Lobby. It's aqua with lime green. That also looks antique, but it isn't. This one I got at JCPenney's Christmas 2009. It's a gold color with glitter on it. This one I got at a department store. I got it for only like, I remember $2.20. It's rose gold color. It's from the Bonton. Love it. This is from Hobby Lobby. It has pretty feather tail. Again, my favorite color, aqua teal. Here's another little bird right here with some feathers. Another one there. And that one, that's a porcelain one. And this one you can't really see too well. It's just like blue velour. There's a purple one there. And then here's a white little dove, real pretty. One of my nice prisms right there, a mirrored one. A velvet bow, a white bird, pink, another pink one, cardinal one, another cardinal one with like pine on it. This I made when I was a little girl. Hope you could see it okay. It's a sparrow. I made this in missionettes, and it's glued to a pine cone. But yeah, I made that one when I was little. And there's a lime green one. And then here is a brown one with, it's like a, not really brown, it's sort of like a bronze color with shiny feathers. So yeah, here's an overall look. And I have it on top of this marble top table, which is an antique. There's a picture of my cat when she was a kitten. Her name is Princess Charcoal Gray. And then there's one of my flowers I took from my mandevilla. And there's just a little little bell. And this tree is in it's a porcelain pot. And then I have more prisms. So I just wanted to show you my little tree of lights. It's a cute all year round look. And then for Christmas time, I put this on the dresser in the window with my other decorations, and then I have my Christmas tree in the large window here, which you'll be seeing someday in my videos. Anyways, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to share this video, and if you enjoyed, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.